Place the right side of the flare facing the lining, sew by 0.5 inch from the curved side. Round the hem to the other end. Sew the straight sides as shown. Sew the other half circle the same way. For the front piece, remove the pattern paper. The fabric serves as the lining also. Lay them in their right order. Place right sides together. Sew the neckline by 0.5 inch, the straight center line, and the slightly slanted side. Repeat same for the other front piece. For the back, take out the pattern, sew the center line, lay right sides together. Sew the center back, open flats, match up the neckline. Sew round by 0.5 inch. Sew the sides by 0.5 inch also. Notch along the neckline curve for the back and both front bodies. Snip the pointy corners. Turn the fabric inside out. Push out the corners. Lay the bodies flat. Turn inside out the back bodies. Lay flat the bodies. Notch the peplum curve. Turn inside out. Arrange the hems in positions. Then flatten out the flare fabric. To join the shoulders, one shoulder is already joined. Lay right sides together. Go in through the hem of the back bodies. Grab out the front shoulder through the same opening. With the front shoulder between the back shoulder fabric, match up the edges. Sew by 0.5 inch. Turn inside out. On both sides, the shoulder line is seamless. The upper bodice is ready. Match up the middle back with the middle of the flare. Mark 5 inches from the mid flare to create a pleat. Pin in place. Another 5 inch on the opposite side. Pleat and pin. From the fold of the pleat, mark 5 inches again. Pleat and pin. Continue in this process of key splitting to create box pleats. Measure the waistline to see if you have the actual waist circumference. Here it is 37 inches. Lay the shorter flare matching up the curved center. Make box pleats as well. This flare should stop before the center back line. The front bodies will match up with the front of the flare like this. Repeat same process on the other half of the flare. Notice the gap between the shorter peplums at the center back area. Here are the band pieces. Find the middle. Pin to the center back. Right sides facing. Flip to the wrong side and pin the other band in position. Match up the edges of the band and waist. The extended band will be sewn to the end. Match up the other half. Top stitch both flare together before attaching the band. After top stitching, attach both bands at the same time. Top stitching from the center back all the way to the center front and to the end of the band. Fold by 0.5 inch the other side of the band. Sew the ends, flip the top and continue from the center back to the band's end in a similar way. Lay the inner side of the upper bodice on the wrong side of the flare. Match up the center. Sew from the middle by 0.5 inch to the side of the bodice. Flip and sew from the middle to the other side. With the right side of the bodice facing up, fold in 0.5 inch of the band over the waist seam line. Adjust the top to the front bodice side. The center front of the flare should match up with the center front of the bodice. Place the band on fold and notch. Pin the bodice to the band from the wrong side. Repeat same process on the other side and pin in place. Then sew by 0.5 inch. Take out the pins. At the side waist, a 1 inch wide elastic of 7 inches length will be top stitched on the lining piece of the band as shown. Now sew beginning with a back stitch. Pull on the elastic while top stitching on the middle. Back stitch at the end points. On the wrong side of the top, you see the scrunch effect of the elastic. Repeat same process on the other waist side. At the band end, snip a corner. Turn the band to the right side. Fold both edges by 0.5 inch as shown. Top stitch from the end to the waist. Sew close to the fold. Continue sewing on a straight line till you reach the other center front, then to the other end of the belt. Stop stitching here again on the elastic to further secure it. Do same on the other side waist. Backstitch, and this project is complete. If this tutorial was helpful, please drop a comment, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more videos. Bye.